Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassandra. Today I have a fragrance haul. So if you want to see exactly what I got, please continue to watch. Okay, we are back. These fragrances that I am going to talk about, I will not be doing an in-depth review of these. This will just be my first impression of them. So if you would like for me to do a review on them, please comment in the comment section of this video and I will do a review. Okay, let's go ahead on. This is just going to be a very quick haul. First thing I purchased is Angel Muse. And this by Mugler. Okay. And this is what this looks like. Totally beautiful. And this is a 1.7 full ounce, which is 50 milliliters. And this is a EDT. Love it. Beautiful. I just wish I had something to stand it on because I don't like them laying down on my stands. If you all know the correct word of where I can find some stands for my different fragrances that have different, that are made different. I don't just want to lay them down. So if you know where I can purchase a stand or something, I don't know if they call it a stand, whatever they call it. Y'all know what I'm talking about. You know, where you can just stick it up there and it can be, like a riser. But anyway, y'all know what I'm talking about. Just comment in the bottom section of this video and let me know where I can purchase different ones from. Okay, let's just spray this one. Like the spray on it. This is beautiful, y'all. Beautiful. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna go in depth about it. That's all I'm going to say. That's a good one. The next one is Twilight by Sarah Jessica Parker. This one looks like. This is the bottle. Okay, let's spray hers. Hers is peppery. Like you got some kind of pepper in this. Some kind of spice. I like this one. There's two of them. Okay, the next one is Sofia Vergara. Anyway, y'all know who I'm talking about, and this is her right here. Oh, and this one was 75 ml, 2.5 full ounces. And this one is 3.4 full ounce. This is 100 ml. And this is the bottle. Beautiful bottle. Okay. Let's see what it smells like. I mean, I got it going on. 3 out of 3. And this is her again. And this one's name is Love. Oh, I love the bottle. And this too is a 3.44 ounce, 100 milliliters. I mean, 4 for 4. 4 for 4. Like I said, I'm going to do a review on these. I mean, these are beautiful. I have another one, and it is Folie by Mauboussin, something like that. That's what that box looks like. And this is the fragrance. I like the bottle. Okay. You spray it. I like this one. Shoot. That's 5 out of 5. And I think I like that one the best. I don't know. We'll see. You have to wait on the review and find out. And the last one is Truth or Dare by Madonna. And this is 75 milliliters, 2.54 ounces. I love the bottle. Okay. Now, this has an odd smell. It's not bad, it's just odd. I can't place this smell. But you all gotta have to wait till I do the review to find out. Okay, that's it for this video. Like I said, this was just a quick unboxing. And if you all want me to do a review, an in-depth review on any one of these fragrances, please comment in the bottom section of this video and I will do it. Other than that, I'll see you all next time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Bye-bye.